Hello everybody. We will continue the infectious diseases of human system. I am Dr. Sharad Deshmukh from S.H. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Morgaon, district Gondia. So today we will continue the infection of the next organ, that is the eyes, that is conjunctiva. You can see here the conjunctiva or the eyes, the structure, and you can note the various parts of the eye, that is eyebrows, eyelid, eyelashes, pupil, lacrimal caracule, medial, then sclera. So various organelles can be seen. Here the system can be seen, the lacrimal sac, and you observe it carefully, that is the various organs. Now let us see the next one, that is the various infection of the eyes, and it is generally referred as the ophthalmia uh, neonatum, mainly caused by the neonatal gonorrheal ophthalmia, mainly caused by the Neisseria gonorrhoeae. In general, the ophthalmia neonatum is the eye infection that occurs within the first 30 days of life. It is caught during the birth by contact with the mother's birth canal that is infected with a sexually transmitted disease. And this infection may be caused by the bacteria or the chlamydia or the viral. So one of the major infection is the neonatal gonorrheal ophthalmia, which is caused by the Neisseria gonorrhoeae, which are the gram-negative cocci which occur in the pair. So in this case, it may result in the corneal scarring, that is the corneal scar that can result from an infection, or also may be caused by the accident. And the infection can be caused by not only by the bacteria or fungi, but also the viruses and the parasite also. The pathogen migrates into the transparent cornea and cause all of the problems, and that may result into the visual impairment. The next one is the trachoma, which is caused by the Chlamydia trachomatis. It is also one of the gram-negative pleomorphic cocci, and that can also result in the corneal scarring. Just we have already seen what is the corneal scarring, and that can result into the visual impairment, and due to the corneal scarring, it is one of the major cause of the blindness in the worldwide, and it is the greatest cause in the infectious blindness, and that are caused by these various organisms. The next one we will see the viral and protozoal infections of the eyes. In this case, first one, the viral infection of the eyes. The major is the herpetic keratitis, that is the HK. It is the viral infection of the eye caused by the herpes simplex virus. One of the major cause is the herpes simplex virus 1, which is the major cause of the herpetic keratitis. This herpetic keratitis remains the one of the leading infection cause of the corneal ulcer, and that can result into the blindness. The second one is the protozoa infections of the eyes. So that is the protozoal infections caused by mainly one of the infection is the acanthamoeba keratitis. That is the amoeba called as the acanthamoeba, which is causing the acanthamoeba keratitis, or shortly known as AK. It is a rare but the serious infection of the eye, and that can cause the blindness or the permanent vision loss due to this infection by the acanthamoeba. And it is the causative agent, that acanthamoeba, it is very teeny amoeba that is in the group of the protozoa. So this is also one of the major cause of this infection. So we'll stop here regarding the infection caused by the various organism, and one of the complication that in this case is the corneal digestion, or that can result mainly into the blindness. So in earlier stage also we have seen that in the viral infection caused by the herpes simplex virus, mainly the herpes simplex virus 1, that result the corneal ulcer that may also result in the blindness. And second one, acanthamoeba keratitis, that is the infection caused by acanthamoeba that can also result into the corneal digestion, and that corneal digestion can result into the blindness. So these are the infection of the eyes caused by the various organisms. Thank you. We will see the remaining part in the next lecture.